Hey you guys, and welcome to my kitchen, Midnight Munchies and more. I am your chef Terrisa, and today we are going to make vegan cheesy bacon pigs in a blanket. What? How is that vegan, girl? I'm about to tell you. So before we get started, I do want to say, if you want to help support this channel, you can donate via PayPal or my Patreon. All will be linked below. And also, I don't want to go into specifics. Oh my God. Specifics. But this video is 100% dedicated to my Aunt Cindy. I love you so much. I just love you. Let's jump in. All right, y'all. So we are going to use this. I found in my grocery store, which is what inspired this whole freaking video. So this is field roast breakfast vegan sausage. It has some like apple maple bonanza in there. And they reminded me of like little Smokies, right? Like old school pigs in a blanket, but they're a little bit longer. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them all in half first. If you're friends with me on Facebook, you would have seen that, oh my God, my little teeny tiny mountain town finally got some BioLife products. I'm freaking out. Okay, so they don't have the vegan feta, which just like, I wouldn't make for this anyways, but I'm also really sad about. But all of you guys are saying the mature cheddar slices were, oh, delicious. So that's what I'm going to use for this today. I'm so shook. Like, you guys better not let me down. You better not be like those people that said Daya's fucking block things are delicious, because y'all lied to me. You better not let me down. I hope you're not letting me down. This is going to be the first try. So what I'm going to do before I get started is I am going to cut it in half to make my life easier. This video is just cutting things in half, right? Okay, so our field roast vegan breakfast sausages come in 12, so we cut them in half, and that's 24. Now, our crescent rolls, accidentally vegan, hi, how are you, come in 8. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut them into third triangles, which is exactly what I used to do when I used to make this old school, like, non-vegan. So, like, it doesn't have to be precise, like, you're just making little triangles, right? Like, take the triangle. This is math class, geometry. I'm just kidding. Please don't give me math. And then like, right? You see what I'm saying? Triangles. Okay, so we have our little halved sausage bonanza, and we have our little vegan cheese. So now I'm going to take some bacon bits, which, surprise, bacon bits are accidentally vegan. Like what? Like, oh, or so good. And then we're just going to wrap her up in the cheese like so. And then we're going to come in with our little croissant. And we're just going to be gentle. Be gentle. We're just going to wrap her around. And we're going to set her on our greased cookie sheet. We have our oven preheated at 350 degrees Fahrenheit as per the package of crescent rolls. And they say about 10 minutes. So we're going to check it at 10 minutes, and when they're brown and poofy, we go eat them. You know what I'm saying? Oh, guys. What? Who is she? Okay, let's take a bite. I can't wait. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. This shit got me questioning if I'm a vegan. Oh no. Oh my God. You guys were right. Y'all were right. That BioLife, oh my God, it hit me to my core, beach. Oh my God. Mature cheddar. Ew. Oh, yeah. Okay. Even if you don't make this recipe and you get that mature cheddar Violife, oh my God. Oh, that veal roast. Oh my God. I literally am like, am I vegan? What happened to me? Like, it sounds so silly, but like literally, I don't know what happened to me just now. Like, cheese and bacon and sausages and pigs in a blanket, and okay, great, I'm shook. Okay. All right, make this for your omnivores because literally, I don't understand. Greg is in a fucking show right now. Shook. Oh my God. Full written recipe as per usual will be linked below MidnightMunchiesandMore.com. Make sure you subscribe. I'm almost at 10,000. Help a sister out. Smash that like, comment below. Take a picture when you make it. Share my social media. I'm trying to make a song, but I don't have a song. I'm like Hannah Hart, my drunk kitchen. Boop, boop. Okay, love you, bye.
Oh, good night kisses while he wishes and reminisces. His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning. Get up.